This is really a fun car. Like,
Stop.
You're gonna fuck around. Don't do it on that block.
no, I'm not fucking
I'm just
around.
asking you.
I'm not fucking around.
You're gonna go fuck around out somewhere, just not around in this residential area.
I'm not. You ain't gotta worry about me. No, I'm really not. Thank you though. Hey guys, so today's a super exciting day. I'm actually picking up the keys to my brand new car. I'm gonna just tell you what it is. You're gonna see in the title, Lamborghini Huracan, exactly. And before I do that, I just want to show you guys 2 withdrawals I made in the past like 24 hours. So here, I gotta take this off of this so y'all can really see it. So you guys see, this is with, let's see if we can, hopefully y'all can see it, but it's $21,000 we withdrew. This was yesterday pretty much, within like a day. And then let me just refresh it so y'all see. And then also for 17 hours ago, we did another withdrawal of about 36. And then the day before that, we did another withdrawal. So let me show you guys that. So basically 5 days, 5 days. So like you can see this is basically within 5 days. We did a withdrawal of 11, and then we did another withdrawal of about 25. So total almost 35. I'll put the math in the title, whatever, but that basically was because I needed to send them a little bit more money. I made a video previously of me buying my dream car. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll clip it, but it's pointless now because y'all gonna actually see the car. But we're gonna go ahead and get the car and pick up my son. I got my brand manager with me, and I'm bringing my boy with me because he also is possibly looking at a car too. It's just dope to have teams, you know, people around you that's also doing pretty good. Just to kind of follow through. But regardless, we're gonna go. I'm gonna show you guys the car, show you a couple things in the lot, and let's fucking do it, man. We're gonna have a great day today. CJ, what's good, bro? I'll be watching your videos, man.
Hello? Grab whatever.
What's this right here?
Pop or whatever. Huh?
What's this right here? You want any pasta? Oh, rice, you want anything?
Yeah.
Well, you got some water? Oh,
Yeah,
right here.
Water, pop, soda, whatever you want. Feel free to grab whatever you like.
You want anything? If you want anything, just grab it. You know, whatever you want. You good? All right, whatever.
Sweet. Yeah. Let me set up the car and stuff over.
Okay.
I'll move some cars around, then we can shoot some videos. If you want to come see it, you can.
Yeah, bro. That shit's... Hey, man, y'all...
I want to buy all the cars.
Takia, come on, you gotta catch up. Like, you so behind, like, y'all gotta tell.
All these cars in here.
Yeah, like, this is something that I grab all day. That's tough. You know what I'm saying? Like, in this blue interior, like, check that shit out. Look at that blue interior, bro. That's the calling there for sure. This the STO. Sheesh. You like these cars, E? Yeah, it's crazy, right?
This is better than the outside.
Dang, E, look, that's Dad's car. Yeah, that's fire. Whew. That shit is sexy, boy. Oh my gosh. What?
Put it here. I'll have him move. Actually, let me grab it.
All right. Hey, today's the day, y'all. Got the lamb. For those that knew what I was getting, only a couple of y'all knew what I was getting, but this right here is the lamb, man. This is the lamb that we got. Yes, sir. It's exclusive.
It's not fully your dream yet because you need the.
I need to make it line. Yeah, you're right. I need to make it line. Also, we got my boy CJ on 32s in here too, so you feel me? So this place lit today. But damn, y'all, look at this. Cool. Look at the Lamborghini light. Oh, you want to sit in there? Go ahead. E.
Nice and comfy.
Yeah. Damn, this shit looks so sexy. I don't even want to wrap it green. It's like, I just want to keep it like this. Yeah. All right, let me see it real quick. R8, imagine that with this in the garage. That's a fire couple right there. Shit. Yeah, this is fire, y'all. Ain't even gonna lie to you. And then we got my key right here. Yes, sir. Let them know. Let them fucking know, bro. Like, come on, bro. Y'all, I waited for this moment. Got it. You feel me? Like, this shit crazy. Got the lamb stitching. Can't go wrong with the orange. Yeah, this shit it, bro. So yeah, we gon' get this shit out so I can get this shit going. Get some photos. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Everything already signed. I'm sure, and I still, bro, try to go in there. I'm sure, and this is still like hard to get in that. You feel me? So, yes, sir. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get everything going and get the whole process going. I'm gonna have her record. Like I said, drop a like, drop a comment if you think she's good at what she does.
Filming has been fire. You guys got to see all the cars, and he was just walking ahead.
And I might be talking. I might be talking.
Like always, but I want to get in.
She talking about I want to get in.
What do you mean? Like, I'm gonna come from a shoot and be just like that.
2021 lamb chop. They gonna move this out the way so we can get some photos and then we out this motherfucker. Look at that.
620.
That's
600. Oh, that's a 600 L.
600 LT. I can see you drive this, see? They pulling up the land right now. We're gonna do some content for their social, my social, and then they're gonna hand me the keys and we out. But yeah, you hold that for me, appreciate it. Yeah, that shit looks sexy. Show them that shit. Damn, sound good too. How it is stock? Oh, wait until like
That's if you put it in Corsa, it's gonna be more
even louder. Yeah. Hey, you gotta use the bathroom. Oh yeah. It's dust. Oh, okay.
It's been a big bus, bro. I'm gonna look out for you.
That's why I bring Brandon with me all the time, y'all. I swear, he be knowing all the little specs.
Yeah, you going wrong, bro.
You recording? All right. All right, y'all. So we in a lamb chop. This is a dream, bro. Y'all don't understand. Like, anything is fucking possible. I'm a nigga that came from nothing to something, bro, which is crazy. Like, I'm about to piss the camera girl off because she's gonna be like, "Why are you going so fast?" But this is crazy. I'm not even in, I'm in strata mode right now. Fasten your seatbelt, please. The brakes on this is crazy. I gotta get used to these brakes. All right, so y'all, we're gonna go to the gas station. Once we go to the gas station, we're gonna talk some business a little bit. See the go cop right there. That's crazy. As y'all see, the cops is heavy out here. So like, as y'all see, like this is really like a dope like car. Probably gonna hit a U-turn, I bet. Yeah, I can't even do nothing crazy because they like stiffens up. Fucking Lamborghini, bro. Crazy. All right, let's see. We gotta figure out. I can't go that way. Yeah, they go to cop right there too. Yeah, I'm not. I'm gonna go this way.
Just act like you just need to pull over and get something out of the trunk.
Yeah, the cop right there. So, but as y'all see, like this is really a fun car. Like,
Stop.
You're gonna fuck around, don't do it on that block.
no, I'm not fucking
I'm just
around.
asking you.
I'm not fucking around.
You're gonna go fuck around out somewhere, just not around in this residential area.
I'm not. You ain't gotta worry about me. No, I'm really not. Thank you though. Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Yours?
Huh? No, Hurricane.
I said, is it yours?
Oh yeah, it's mine. I just got it. So the plates, they don't have it on here yet. That's why I got a bill of sale and all that. So if they need it, but they said they're gonna send it to me, a couple days. But yeah.
When I grow up, I want to be you.
Oh, he's the shit, bro.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it. As y'all see, she's cool as shit. So I'm not gonna fuck around just for that. I'm gonna go on Strata. We just gonna find a gas station. That's crazy. I wish all cops was like him.
We want to be. No.
I wish all cops was like him. Like he thought I was gonna be a jerk, but I genuinely told him I'm not gonna be on that. So yeah. This is the most brightest. Okay, y'all. We gotta find gas first. Let's get some gas. All right, there we go, right here. We're gonna get some gas. We're gonna go straight. I don't know what side the gas tank on. What side the gas tank on?
It's on my side.
It's on your side?
Yeah.
He was like, don't fuck around. I was like, oh no, we not even on that, bro. I just got it. I'm genuinely not on. I'm not even on that. I'm just trying to gas up. Da. He's like, okay, respectfully. And he was like, okay, cool. And then he just asked.
I heard, yeah. Did you buy it? Is that yours?
Yeah. Nigga, yeah, I just brought this shit. What the fuck?
Then he goes, I want to be like you when I grow up. Literally, I kid you not. It's on
Corny as hell.
Yeah, that's crazy, yo. First experience already. Cops is on my ass.
Yeah, they say the Joliet police is trash, bro.
Huh?
They say Joliet police is trash.
But I don't understand. Like he was already like, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, fast, bro.
He hit the switch on our ass, definitely, because he was like, oh, I know.
He followed the block and he thought I was gonna be on that shit.
To meet him around the corner.
He thought I was gonna be on that shit. He see me black. He of course, black dude, young dude. He like, oh yeah, he on bullshit. All right, y'all gonna see how much this is gonna cost to gas up. First gas, it's half a tank, so. Yeah, they. Oh, you got pop. He thought I was gonna be on some shit.
Yeah, that's crazy. To even say something is crazy. Like, what?
I'm like, my boy, I'm chilling today.
That's yours. That would have pissed me off, man. What?
Nah, nigga, this is I stole it.
Yeah, no, literally.
You wanna see?
With a motor car plates, right. And then I'm gonna just tell you that I stole it.
Alright, so we filling it up now. Trying to see where it's at now and shit. But
Yeah,
yeah.
they did you justice with the no bracket on the front. No license plate bracket on the front.
Oh yeah, okay.
I don't know how Kenosha gonna feel about it.
No, I ain't got it on my Audi though. I took it out. I took the bracket off my Audi too. I ain't say nothing since though. So
Just you gotta keep the plate with you just in case.
I'll put my Audi plates on here. Nah, I ain't even gonna do that because they gonna fuck around for real. I'm already getting fucked around. All right, yeah, we're gonna fill this up. So it was $70. It's about the same as my Audi.
It should be a little less, right?
Yeah.
The tank is smaller on the Audi.
Yeah, it's a little less. But this is a
But now
10
you
cylinder.
remember, right now, gas is out here.
Oh yeah, it's more.
$5.65.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Can EJ have M&M's?
Huh?
You have M&M's?
I'm good.
So can eat, not chew.
Oh, E?
Back.
Oh no, but you close the door. Close the door. Everyone's trying to keep the door open and shit. Like I'm driving the Prius.
That's on fire.
You fuck with it? All right, y'all. So $70. E, you good? You eating that? We gonna get some food when we get home. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'll be right here. All right. You gotta go to the bathroom? You sure? Okay. How you feeling? You like the car? It's cool? Yeah. All right, y'all. So we're going to end it today with that. I'm going to do some reviews on the market so y'all can check that out in a little bit. But other than that, peace.